The Sweat wallet is finally here, and that means you can now get free crypto just by walking by using the Sweatcoin app. My name is Michael and I have made several videos about Sweatcoin where you can earn by walking, and they made it possible to earn crypto, but we have all been waiting for the Sweat wallet, as it's called, to launch so we could actually get the crypto and see exactly how it works. And it has now been launched, and in this video I'll give you an inside look of the Sweat wallet. I explain exactly how you can get your Sweatcoin out and talk about how much it's also worth, so you can see if this is the right way for you to earn by walking or not. So before I log into the Sweat wallet and show exactly how it works, just let me make it clear that to already have Sweatcoin or crypto inside the wallet, you will need to earn through the Sweatcoin app. But it's not too late if you did not start yet, and if you think this sounds interesting, you can still join Sweatcoin and start earning by walking. And the faster you do it, the more you will earn. We'll talk more about that later. I will leave my invitation link also to Sweatcoin below so you can join if you're not yet a member. But if you already were a member, you know that inside Sweatcoin, the Sweatcoin app, you would need to then have selected that you wanted to earn crypto by walking. I have a full video where I show how to do that and explain more about that. I will leave a link in the top corner. And then now the Sweat wallet has launched, and then whatever you had in Sweatcoin would be then converted into this Sweat economy or Sweat token, whatever you would call it there. This is a cryptocurrency and has a value already. We'll talk more about that later. Just be aware that when you created that wallet or opted in for that through, or if you haven't done it yet, through the Sweatcoin app, then you would get an email, and you would need this email. And they also clearly say that do not delete this because you need it. So first you then just download the Sweat wallet, and then you need that email. There is a code that you need to use, and there's a link in that email you need to use, and you need to do that on your phone. After downloading the Sweat wallet, you need to go to that email on your phone, open it in a Chrome browser. That's how it is as of recording this. You can only do it through Chrome. The link didn't work in other browsers for me anyways. It said open it in Chrome, and then it will verify your Sweat wallet, and then you will get inside. I just wanted to explain that because it can be a little bit confusing, but it's actually not. As long as you have that email, if you haven't joined Sweatcoin yet, just join Sweatcoin, follow what I show in that video, and then you just know that you need to keep that email to access the Sweat wallet, which is a separate app where you then get this crypto. So let me now log into that, show how you then can continue to earn, what else you can do in there, and how much the Sweatcoin is now worth. So I'm now inside the Sweat wallet, and you can see the balance that I have right now. I actually have a little bit more because some of it I have logged a little bit more. I'll talk more about that later because you can earn more by doing that. And this is what I've earned through the Sweatcoin app, and it has then been converted directly into this Sweat crypto. So this is what I have, but you can also see I have something that's available because it will not all be available right away, because what you earn through the Sweatcoin app so far, if you click, there is a more detailed balance information. So you can see what I earn now, because I do keep earning by using the Sweatcoin app there. But you can also see there's something they say like something is available and the rest is not yet available. And if you look at that, you can see that that's because they have locked it, so it will gradually unlock over 24 months. And some people might be disappointed about this, but one thing you need to understand is that if you use any option to earn a brand new crypto, usually it will be locked for a while and released slowly, because if they didn't do that, people would just dump it all and it would affect the price. So this is actually good for all of us that have earned Sweat or are planning to earn Sweat, because this makes sure that people, when they log it for a while and release it slowly, that it won't have the same risk of just completely crashing in price. There's of course no guarantee, but we will talk more about the price later. Exactly the unlocking rate you can see per month, that depends how many Sweat you have. So I have so far unlocked this. It's not what you can see is available because I've chosen manually to lock some more for some benefits that can give. We will go over that later also. But as you can see, then this is the unlocking rate. Your unlocking rate will be different because you will have different number of coins there. So this depends on how much you got transferred in there, but you can keep earning, as I will also show. This is just to explain that not all of it is available yet. We will talk about what you can do with what is available, because that's what I chose. You can see I have unlocked more than 400, but right now I only have these 76 available, but this keeps becoming more and more available because it unlocks gradually, and also you can keep earning if you just keep walking by having a Sweatcoin app installed. Also, you can see below I already keep earning a little bit from steps and things like that. So then what can you then do with the available balance? Well, you have a few options. Let's go over first why I only have something that's like available like this, even though I have unlocked more than 400, because you can get some benefits of staking. So let's talk about that next. You can see inside there's something called Grow, and you can also find that at the bottom. It takes you to the same page, and this is where you can stake, meaning that you basically lock your crypto, and many different cryptos offer that, and they usually give you interest for that because it's a way to support the whole ecosystem, and that can be a way to also make sure the price keeps at a reasonable level and all these things. There are many things that plays a part, but that's a part of it, and then usually you get benefits from it. And you can see currently, and this will probably change, usually how it is with things like this is that you earn more at the beginning, and right now you get 12% per year if you log it for a year. So you can see I have created a grow jar, as it's called. You see I have logged 400, and it is then 12 months I decided to log it because then I would get 12%. I would earn these 48 sweat for having it locked for a year. That of course means I can't take it out if I want to. I can't use it for anything. This is locked. I will earn interest. Whether it's then a good option for you or not, that really depends on your expectations and all that. We'll talk about the prices because that will also help you decide that. But how it works is that if you want to do that, you go to create a jar, and then you can see you get the different options. You can log it for just 3 months if you want. You get less, you'll get 3%, not 3%. Just for those, it's 3% yearly, so you will get what's the equivalent of that. You can log it for 6 months, or you can see 12% if you log it for a year. And that's of course a very good interest, you can say, but of course it all depends how the value of the coin will go. It is crypto, so no one can really predict. We will talk more about the price as I mentioned, but if you're not planning to use it now anyways, if you think that it's a great product that will increase in time, or great project, and Sweat in general is great, then why not earn some interest at the same time while you're just holding on it? Just be aware that if you log it for 12 months, you cannot suddenly unlock it. That's something you need to be aware of. Another option they have now is called rewards, and if you go there, you can see they have different options there to enter some different draws. And this is like how much which one you can participate in. You see, that depends how many crypto or how many sweat you've earned. So you need to earn a certain amount before you get a chance to win some of these rewards there. So you see then what is available, then you can click them and you can read more about them. You see, then I can opt in if I want to. And you just need to read these conditions there. So you see, then you have to grow the required amount of sweat, and then if you win, you will be told there, and that's just how it works, right? So I could now do this. I could choose this one to opt in for that. I could choose to opt in for this one. You see, this one, for example, I am also able to enter this. They say, for example, also there will be 40 winners. I can click to enter the prize draw there, and then I can just confirm and subscribe to it there. And then you see, now I'm in the prize draw and I will be told if I win. And the amazing thing about these prize draws, that's that I actually don't spend my coins by participating. You can see if I go back to the home there, I still have the same amount available. I still have whatever I earned there. This is something extra. It's to motivate you to grow and keep using the app, keep earning sweat. And then you can see that how much you need to earn there. For example, if I earn a little bit more, you see still to grow, that means if I earn another 100 there, then I will be able to participate in tickets for FIFA World Cup. And there's some other things that are coming soon where you can earn more by walking. There's different other things, voting rights, you see that's coming soon. All these different things, VIP community, I'll definitely keep an eye on this also. But for some of them, of course, you need to earn quite a bit, but as you can see, I actually didn't spend my coins to participate in the prize draw. That's important to understand. I just earn, and then when I reach certain earning goals, I get a chance for winning this. So that's definitely something I would recommend you also keep an eye on. But what can you then do with the coins? Like, how can you get your coins out and how much are they worth? Let's talk about that also. So at the home page, you can see there's something called transfer and there's exchange. The exchange, if I click that, you see this comes soon. I don't know when it will be available, but at some point it says that Sweat, inside the Sweat wallet, you can exchange it into other assets. So that means that inside there you can change it probably to, no, I don't know if cash or other crypto. We will see what will happen. But also you can already now transfer, you see, and you can send or you can request. So you can send just by having a username, you can send Sweat to another user. But also if you click the little information mark, you can see that just send it to another Sweat wallet if you want to. But you can also send Sweat to any named near address near the crypto network there, any address that's on that, or an unnamed one. That means a long strings of letters and numbers. So basically a crypto address on the near network there. You can send it to that, the coins from there, which takes us to the next point, and that is where can you take it out to, which exchanges is it already on, and how much is the coin currently worth. So I'll just close the app down and then I will show you the current value of it. So I have just jumped to CoinMarketCap, which is a website that I often use to do research about different cryptocurrencies, keep an eye on the market and all this. And you can see the Sweat Economy coin there is listed there now, and you can see the current price. Just be aware, this is a cryptocurrency, so this price might already be a lot higher, a lot lower by the time you see it. This is the current value, and since it's just recent, like a few days ago, been launched as of recording this, then it can go up and down a lot. You can see there has been some changes, but how exactly will it go? What will people do with it? Now it has been launched on several different things, like will it really give increase in value? Will it go a lot lower? Personally, this is actually a higher value than I expected it would be. So for me, that's positive, definitely. But of course, you can't see it's like far away from reaching $1, $10, whatever. Who knows if it ever will? I cannot say. We'll have to see. But one thing that I do like is if you scroll down, you see the markets that it's already listed on some really big exchanges like KuCoin, Gate.io, FTX, Bitfinex. You see, there's a lot of different places that actually have it listed where you can potentially buy it if you want to. You can send it there once that's available or possible for you there. If you have an account there that can receive it, eventually you can also exchange it inside the Sweat wallet itself. But no, it might not be a good idea. It might be. That's up to you, of course, to decide. It might be in a year if you lock some, like you see, I locked some of it and I got interest. Whatever I earn in interest, if I'm lucky, it will be worth a lot more in a year. If not, then it might be worth less. That's how it is with cryptos. That's also why you should look into, do you believe in the project? I think Sweatcoin itself is a great project, and it helps to keep you motivated to move, and it's a fun way to earn by just walking, and you can still do that. That's important to be aware of. You can still earn by walking every single day. You just had the advantage if you earned before it was launched there that you got more for it, but right now it still is possible to earn. You just need to be aware that how much you earn now per step. I believe it is like you will get 1 coin per 1,000 steps you take currently, but this will go down and down and down, and that's how it is with most crypto projects. When it first starts, it's way easier to earn. You can even see in the past how easy it was to mine Bitcoin. Now it's like really, really difficult. Not that I'm saying that Sweat will reach the value of Bitcoin. That's not what I'm saying. It's just to compare it and say, like, in general, with crypto projects, it's easier to earn in the beginning, and that's the same with Sweat. Right now you get good value for the steps you take. It will go down in a year, it will be a lot less. I believe then in a year or something like that, it is like 5,000 steps or something like that you need to take to earn 1 coin. So it will go significantly down. That's why if you think this sounds interesting, you should get started as soon as possible if you already didn't start. You can also go to the Sweat Economy website, go and read about the light paper. You see, they have everything that described there. They talk about the different phases where they describe what the plan is, so you can see if you believe in the project and all this there. That's something I would recommend. That also will help you decide whether you should hold on to it, or if you believe in it, should you lock it up and all these things. That is something that is definitely great to go in and take a look at. So to sum it all up, I am quite excited that the Sweat wallet has released. I'm excited to see that it's already has a real value, that I think it has a decent value for what I maybe expected from something like this. Whether it will then go up or down, I cannot say. We'll have to wait and see. Personally, I think the wallet itself, is quite nice. It has these nice rewards chances. You can log it up to earn more. It looks like it will just keep improving, so you can also easier take things out. And it's a great positive sign that you can even already now trade the coin on many bigger exchanges that they have already listed it. This is a really positive sign in my personal opinion. I can't guarantee that will mean the value will go up or whatever. Again, you need to look into, do you believe in the project? For example, look at the light paper that I just showed. How is it there? Look at the app, like how much do you like using it? Is it great way to earn? And what is the project behind? What else are the thoughts? If you believe in that, then it's a great project to support. No matter what, it's an easy way to earn because you don't really do anything extra. You just have it installed on your phone, the Sweatcoin app and the Sweat Wallet app. All you then do is just whenever you take a step, it will just count it and you will earn. So I don't do anything actively to earn there. That there are some extra things. I also have more information in that video I showed where you can watch some extra ads to earn more sweat and things like that. But you don't have to. You can just passively earn just by walking. So personally, I will continue using it. I've used it for a while, as you could also see with my earnings, and I will keep using it because I do believe in the project. I don't know how it will go with the value. If it goes down, I'm okay with that. I still think it's a good project. I still think it's a nice app to use. And then we just hope for the best. And I hope this explained more because I've gotten a lot of questions about this. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also, if you did not start yet, I will leave my invitation link below so you can get started with Sweatcoin. And then from there, you can just turn on to earn the crypto. And as mentioned, I'll leave a link to that below. But as mentioned, if this video did help you, then hit the like button and also remember to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.